expression contain the logical operator and return either 0 or 1 depending upon whether the operator are commonly used in the decision making in a C program. Okay, so while using your AND operator, which is programmatically defined as statement are true, 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 it return you true, true, understand you. Here it is an example of three operator and or not operator. In the case of AND operator, if both the statement are true, it return you true value. If one is true, another is false, then it is return you false value. When both conditions are false, then it is return you false value. In the case of OR operator, if two statements are true, it will return you true. If any one statement is true, it will return you true. So in the case of OR operator, if any one statement is true, it will return you true. In other case, it shows you false. Okay. Then in NOT operator, it evaluate one statement. If it is true, then it is return you false. If it is false, then it is return you true. Only in the case of OR operator, if any one statement is true, if any one statement is true, then it is return you true value. In the case of AND operator, if both the statements are true, then it is return you true value. In the NOT cases, if it is evaluate only one statement, if it is true, then it is return you false. If it is false, then it is return you true. Okay.
ପଢିଥିଲେ ନା ଆମେ ସେ ଲଜିକ ବିଲ୍ଡିଂ ରେ ଏ ଯୋଉ and or not ଲଜିକ ବିଲ୍ଡିଂ ରେ ପଢିଥିଲେ
हाँ लॉजिक बिल्डिंग प्रोग्राम सब करूछ
सर why not?
परिबो ना
लास्ट आज्ञा लास्ट
ऑनलाइन में सेट करि परिबो नले तुमको देइतली जो आईडी देइतली तब here it is a program like we are defining a int a equals to 5 b equals to 5 c equals to 10 then result which is all the result. Okay, if a is equals to b and c is greater than b, okay, then it is showing you the result a equals to b and c is greater than b in result. If a is equals to b and c is less than b, no, c is not less than b, so it is condition. Yes, operator. A is equals to b, yes, true. C less than b, c is not less than b. Okay, so in that cases, as here answer is false, here false. A is not equals to b is false. C is less than b is a false. So when both are false, return you false. Then not operator. A not equals to b. Not a not equals to b. So a is equals to b. Then it is showing you false.
नॉट ए नॉट पुणी कोन माने नॉट तो स्टार्टिंग लागले ठीक अछि तापरे ए नॉट इक्वल्स टू
So
अच्छा ए नॉट इक्वल्स टू बी हां हां बुझले
a not equals to b false. Not false है कौन सी?
एटा नॉट फंक्शन तो यूज है एटा तो ट्रू होबो ना नॉट ए नॉट इक्वल्स टू बी सेटा तो ट्रू होबो ना
a not equals to
लास्ट रो ऊपर रिजल्ट
और ट्रू असतो
सेटा जो अछि
ट्रू असतो बुझला
आज्ञा
next is bitwise operator.
bitwise
Data lowest manipulation. So when you store the information, lowest storage format is what? Bit. So bit is the lowest storage format. So during the computation, mathematical operation like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, etc. are converted to the bit level, which make the processing faster and save the power. Operator and bitwise and or bitwise or क्या bitwise or not bitwise complement, then left shift operator and right shift operator. These are the
यूज कोन होछ माने केतोळे को जगह रा मेटा को यूज करछ
or storage medium. When you want to manipulate the lower volume of data. So at that cases, we are using bitwise operator. Okay. So bitwise AND operator, then OR operator, okay. Bitwise AND operator, bitwise OR operator, bitwise exclusive OR, bitwise complement operator, then left shift and right shift operator. So these are the variety of operators by using. बुझिएला? Next, move to the size of operator. The size of is a unary operator that return the size of data, constant, variable, array, structure, etc. Here it is showing you the size of integer, the size of float, double, and character.
परसेंटाइल पर कौन लिखा है LU
Percentage L.
परसेंटाइल L हेले
Then bytes ताको concatenation करियो.
ना जो परसेंटाइज L जो परसेंटाइल L जो लिखा होची ता माने यूज टा कोन थिला
Long value show करिया पे percentage use use.
LU
L U no खाली L.
और U टा
U टा होची space भाई. बुझियो. चला.
आई गेस
Basically, percentage U, it format the specifier implement for fetching the value from the address of a variable having unsigned decimal integer stored in the memory. It is not a signed value. Means for representing a unsigned decimal number. Okay. चला. So in some situation, you have to perform an action based upon the condition. Suppose if you want to delete a statement, so it is asking you that if you want to delete, okay, so it is showing you the option yes and no, okay, and if you want to copy, okay, if you want to move through a traffic, so there is a signal. If it is red, then you have to stop. If it is a green, then you have to move. So that is a decision making statement you have to use. So in the C programming language, also you have to use a decision making technique by using of if else, nested if else, then switch case. Okay, so by using of this four construct, you can implement the conditional construct in the C programming language. The if statement consists of Boolean expression followed by one or more statement. Okay, if your condition is false, so it contains the Boolean statement, Boolean value giving which value, true or false value. So if your value is false, then if statement is not executing anything. Then if else is used if you want to stop or if you want to show the alternative option, then else block is used. Nested if statement in a if another if statement is used, that is a nested if. Switch statement, so you have to take a sample value from a user and check with multiple case option whether the your value which match with the particular case statement or not. If it is matched, then the corresponding case statement is executed. And after getting your result, there is no need to search the data again in another switch case, another case statement. So where you are getting a result, at that timing we are using a break statement. The break statement is used to stop the execution. Okay, switch is a statement. A switch statement always allow a variable to be tested for equality against a list of values. Using the if statement, it is just similar to your pseudocode that you have learned. An if statement, it consists of a Boolean expression, which is return you the true and false value. If Boolean statement, if your expression is true, if your statement is true, the statement within the if block is executed. If the Boolean expression evaluate or true, then the block of code inside if statement will execute it. If the Boolean expression value is to false, then first set of the code after the end of if statement. If programming language assume non-zero, non-null values as a true, and if it is either zero or null, then it is assumed as false. Here you are defining a conditional statement. If condition is false, then stop the execution. If condition is true, then it is going for a conditional code. So here it is a simple program. Decision making. So first we are defining int a equals to 10. Then 10 is less than 20. 10 is less than 20, then it is printing you A is a less value. Okay. Then if the condition is false, it is not execute anything. So it is only showing you after the if block, the value is this. Suppose we are running a file. A is less than 20. The value of A is 10. If 10 is less than 20, then it is showing you this block. And if you pass here 30, then it is showing you the condition in the true. If the condition is true, then the following event is executed. If the value is then your else statement is executed. The syntax of the if else statement is in C programming language. It is a Boolean expression. If your condition is false, then it is execute the Boolean expression. If it is true, if it is false, then it is execute the else block. So if the Boolean expression evaluate to true, then if block will be executed. Otherwise, the else block is executed. In C programming language, assumes any non-zero, non-null value are true, and if it is either zero or null, then assume that it is false. Okay, if it is blank, then we assume that it is a false value. Okay. So next we cover tomorrow. With the example. Okay.